Today we'll see what is the Java. Yesterday I told you in short what is the Java and all, right? So what is Java is what Java is a high level programming language. So what is meant by high level here? What is meant by programming here? That we have to know, right? So high level means that is the human friendly. High level means human friendly and low level means the machine friendly. So what is meant by human friendly and what is meant by machine friendly? So machine friendly means the language that is understandable by machine than the human. But human friendly means what? Easily understandable by humans than the machine. So Java is a high level programming language, right? So what is meant by programming language? Why we are using the programming language? If you want to communicate with the machine, so machine knows only the binary language. If you want to give any task to task and all to the machine, so directly we cannot give. So we have to give with the help of programming language. Okay, so with the help of programming language we have to give. So how Java will work? So simple, will come here and I will remove this. Okay, so how Java will work? Suppose if I writing any program, suppose I want to print anything or suppose I want to add anything. So for that I will write a program. Suppose this is a program. Okay, suppose this is a program here. If you write anything, if you are giving any instruction for that you are writing or if you are adding something, that is called as the program, or we can say that that is a source code, right? Source code. Okay, so in Java there are two things, that is the compiler and as well as the interpreter. Machine knows only the machine language, right? That is the 101010, right? So for that, if you run this program, if we write the programs we have to run, right? If we not run means what is the use of this program? So we have to run this program. If we run this program is source code is will be converted into the byte. This is the byte code. I think many people saw the videos, right? Yes. So source code is converted into the byte code. Again this byte code is converted into the one thing, that is the, yeah, machine language. Okay, first is the source code. Source code will are converted into the byte code and byte code is converted into the machine language. And what is our goal? That is we have to convert our goal into the machine language, because machine knows only the machine language, that is the 101010. If we talk into the Telugu, like if I talk into Telugu, I don't know Telugu, but if I talk in Telugu, like I have to do this work, please computer print that thing, so can it will be print? No, right? We have to tell into the machine language. So for that we have a Java language means programming language that will convert source code into the byte code first, and after that byte code it will convert into the machine language. Okay, now this program or source code is converted into the, okay, now this source code is converted into the byte code, and this byte code is again converted into the machine language. So there will be the someone is responsible, no? So if source code is converted into the byte code, there will be one thing is there, that is the compiler. Compiler is responsible to convert source code into the byte code. Okay, another thing, byte code into the machine code, there will be one thing is there, that is the interpreter. Interpreter is like a translator. Okay, interpreter is like a translator. Suppose I know Hindi and you know Telugu, so there will be one person that will explain Hindi to Telugu and Telugu to Hindi. Same like that, interpreter is there that will convert bytecode into the machine language. Okay, interpreter is like a translator, remember this thing. So this like our program will work. If you write a program and if you run this program, so this like will be happen. So it will first compile in the code and then source code is compiled into the bytecode. Who is responsible? Compiler. If bytecode is converted into the machine language, who is responsible? That is the interpreter. And remember one thing, that is Java is a high level programming language. Java is a high level programming language, that is the human friendly. Human friendly means human can easily understand than the machine. Okay, and it is based on the concept of object oriented, means everything in Java is based on the object. Okay, everything in Java is based on the object. What is meant by object oriented, and that we will see in upcoming lecture. Okay, after that its syntax is more same like a C and plus. Means whoever knows the C and C plus plus, Java is means little bit easy for them, or many means same like means many syntax is there. If you want to print anything or if you want to write anything, same syntax is there into the Java also. If you know the C and C++, Java is easy for you. After that, but in Java we cannot do the low level programming language like C and C++. Inside the C and C++, we are doing the low level programming language like a that is the easily understandable by machine than the computer. But inside the Java, we are doing only the high level programming language that is easily understandable by the human. Okay, so Java is platform. This is the main thing. Okay, if anybody will ask you, you have to tell Java is a high level programming language, and another thing is the Java is a platform. If they will ask you why Java is a platform, because it has own runtime environment that is the JVM. And what is the meaning of the JVM? That is Java Virtual Machine. Whatever things we saw here, that is the compiler and interpreter, that all the things will be present inside the JVM. Okay, all the things will be present inside the JVM. So that things are present inside the this thing, that is the JVM, and Java is JVM is present inside the Java. So we can say that Java is a platform because JVM provides platform which can accept the bytecode and execute on the machine. So what it will be do? It will be accept the bytecode from here and it will be execute on the machine. Same things they are saying, right? So we are converting source code into the bytecode. Then bytecode is converted into the machine language. So, source code is converted into bytecode. Who is responsible? Compiler. If we convert bytecode into the machine language, who is responsible? That is the interpreter. Interpreter is like a translator. Okay, interpreter is like a translator, and compiler and interpreter, both the things are present inside the one thing, that is the JVM. That's why we are calling JVM Java is a platform, because it has its own runtime, that is the JVM. Okay, that is all about the Java. Okay, that is all the things about the Java. So anyone have any doubt till here? Anyone have any doubt? Syntax we will see no after, means when we see the program and all, that time we will see. Okay, if I tell you now, so you will be confused. Okay, so after that, the history. What is the history of Java? It is like a story. If we see the history and all, so we are also listening like a story only, right? So suppose our team is there. We will try to create a project. So one leader will be there and one team will be there. Same like that, they also creating a project. That time, who is the leader? That is the James Gosling. The James Gosling is known as the father of the Java. Okay, James Gosling is the father of the Java. After that, his team is there. What is the name of his team? That is the green team. And we want one investor, right? If you are creating one project and all, so we want one investor. So who is the investor there in that time? That is the Sun Microsystem. It is the Oracle year 2010. Why I'm writing this one? So I will tell you later. The first one company is there, that is Sun Microsystem. Under this company, James Gosling and his team develop one project. That project name is the Java. First name of the Java is the Oak, and when they started at the 1991. So Oak. If you come here and if you search Oak here on the name, so what will become? See, tree. Tree is there, no? So Oak name is given from the tree. Sorry, Oak is given the name from the tree. Oak is the name of the tree. Okay, Oak is the name of the tree. And in the 1995, they have developed, released one version, first version, that is the in 1995. Their first version name is the Java Alpha Beta version. After that, every year or every 6 months, they are releasing new version, that is the JDK 1.0. Then JDK 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. This all are the same thing. Many people will be confused. What is JDK? J2 is different or what? Java is different or what? All are the Java things only, but they are different versions they have released. Okay. After that, in 1996, they have changed the name from Hook to the Java. So why we change the name? Why they are changing the name? Suppose now we came here. What is the name of our company here? That is Search. Okay. If I want to create a new company, or if I want to build a new company, can I give same name to my company? Can I give search name to my company also? No, no, no. So if I give search also and Venu sir will also give search, so that will be create a problem, right? Because Venu sir have registered the name like search software solution, right? If I create means they will give copyright to me, right? So same thing is happen here also. They have given the Oak Technologies to this company, like before they create the project, no. So they have given the name as a Oak. So after that, what happened? Oak name is already registered by one company, that is the Oak Technologies. The Oak name is already registered by one company, that is the Oak Technologies. So they have to change the name, right? So they have gathered together inside the office, like we gathered no here. Same like that, they have gathered together many people suggest different names. If we have to create a company also, and if I ask you what is the name, what will be the name we will give, so you will also suggest different names, no? So they have also suggest different names, still for powerful and all. Okay, so James Gosling sir does not like any name. So what happened, after in mid break they went to the coffee shop. They went to the coffee shop. There they drink one coffee. That coffee bean name is a Java. Java is a coffee bean name. Okay, coffee bean name. Java is a coffee bean name. They have drunk the coffee that time. So from that coffee bean name, they have given the name Java to our programming language. And first time the project is developed now. This project is developed for the embedded system. So for what is meant by embedded system, like a set of box, printer and all. For this project is created. But after that, they realized for embedded system, this project is means not suitable, means more higher for this set-top box and all. So they have means they have realized that this is not a simple one. We have to make it more. So this is after that they have means they think like that this is a like a programming language, and they have created one programming language, and they have given the name that is the Java. First name of Java is a oak, and oak is a tree name. By the tree name, they have given the name to the our Java. Okay, and why they have changed the name from oak to Java? Yes, because Oak is already registered by the another company, that is the Oak Technologies. And after that 1995 they are releasing a versions, that is the Java Alpha Beta version. This is the first version of the Java. After every year or after 6 months, every 6 months they are releasing new version like JDK 1.0, JDK SE. Simply, if you want to know what is the latest version of the Java, simply you can come here, Java version, and here Wikipedia. Okay. Whole list will become downside. See, these are the all the list of the versions of the Java. See, JDK 1.2 alpha beta version is not there. 1.1, 1.2, 1.3. Now, which is the latest version? That is the 21. Okay, 21 is the latest version, and these are Java AC 22 are the future release. Okay, they will be released this version in future. Okay, now which is the latest version? That is the Java 21. But which version we are using? That is the Java AC 11. Okay, JDK 11 we are using here. Okay, so that is the history and what is the introduction of Java we saw today. Okay, if we tell all the things today only, means it will be create a problem. Okay, means you will be get bored and no, I don't want to learn like that. Okay, so today we will remain till here only. Okay, just practice that, means what is Java, what is high level, and what is the concept here inside the Java, that you can see that. And another thing, whoever not installed JDK now, try to install that. And after that, one thing is there, that is the ID. If you want to write any code, for that we want something, no, on which we can write the code. So for that we are using simply ID, that is the integrated development environment. In that we can easily write our program. This thing also you have to install. How to install? Simply come here, and here you can write Eclipse. Sorry, what is Eclipse? Eclipse download you can write for the Windows. You can come here, and the first one is the Eclipse, and you can download it from here. Okay, you can download the package also, zip file you can download, or you can download directly exe file also. Okay, you can, if you want to download the package also, you can download here, or exe file if you want to download, you can download it. Then next and install. Okay, so this is the thing you have to download today, that is the Eclipse. Any version you can install, no worries. And another thing is that, see, the Java. If I write here Java, see what is written here, Java and Oracle. That's why we wrote here, that is the Oracle 2010. From the 2010, Java is purely acquired by the Oracle company. That's why here I wrote here, that is the 2010. Okay, first who is handling that? That is the Sun Microsystems. But after 2010, who is handling that? That is the Oracle. Okay, so this is all the history about the Java, and whatever things is present inside the Java. Today we saw what is meant by the Java. Okay, anyone have any issues till here? What is history or any what is Java, what is high level language, and what is the low level language. What is the high level language? Which is easily understandable by human than the machine. And what is the low level programming language? Okay, if I write the source code, so what will happen? If I run this one, so what will happen? First, it will be converted into the byte code again, then it will be converted into the machine language. If it will be converted from byte source code to byte code, who is responsible for that? Compiler. And if byte code is converted into the machine language, who is responsible? Interpreter is like a translator, and both the things, compiler and the interpreter, where it is present? Java virtual machine, inside the JVM it will be provided. Okay, that's the thing for today. You are understanding very quickly. Now I think we have to complete within the 15 days.